This report is a monthly briefing of Tesla Giga Berlin construction. Our friend Albrecht, who tweets at gigafactory_4, has a nice 12-part thread where he talks about topics like progress of construction at Tesla Giga Berlin, waiting for next permission, compensation of lost time, the team spirit, and the next steps. So here's what Albrecht says, and I'm going to present that to all of you right now. But before that, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So in the first part, Albrecht talks about the progress at Tesla Giga Berlin, the progress of construction, and says the drive unit is completely closed. Inside works began a few weeks ago. This building acts as a template. I don't know what he means by that. Paint roof is ready. BIW, GA, and ST are almost done. Roofing CA begins. Machines get loaded into the painting since end of October. Those BIW, GA, and ST, these are the different buildings. For example, GA is the General Assembly, and BIW is Body in White, and so on. So these are the points about the progress at Tesla Giga Berlin in terms of construction. Then Albrecht talks about the waiting for the next permission. He says the permission will include, among other things, tree clearing and machine integration. The reason for waiting is that the decision needs to be legally incontestable. That means no one can legally contest that decision. Therefore, a verbatim record needs to be analyzed. This is what it takes to wait for the next permission at Giga Berlin. I think they want to do the tree clearing, maybe to build another huge building for battery production, because we learned yesterday that, or the day before, that Tesla is going to build the largest electric vehicle battery factory in Giga Berlin, or just near Giga Berlin. So maybe that's why they need to clear more trees, more areas, and also to bring more machine integration, and that's why they're waiting for. Albrecht also says that in the protocol about this not being contested, it's the protocol decided at the public discussion at the 22nd of September meeting in Erkner, where Tesla opponents of Giga Berlin were expressing their fears, their concerns, and there was a week-long or so discussion. And Albrecht says for the objectors, this was a big thing. Maybe a small but loud part of the objectors hoped it would bring a delay. Actually, a result log is more common. And then Albert goes on to talk about compensation of lost time at Giga Berlin, and here's what he says about this. The permission was awaited at the 1st of October, according to some sources. This means there is a time delay Tesla already adapted to this delay. They will try to ramp up the processes and already applied for the permission to expand the working hours. And remember, not working hour expansion, but in Giga Texas, recently we learned that Tesla made immediate decision to go for 3 shifts, 24/7, in order to make things fast and on time. And then Albert talks about the team spirit. And regarding the team spirit at Giga Berlin, he says time and the will to do something big and unforgettable is what drives all involved people at Tesla Giga Berlin. Someone from the Tesla team has said to him, "We do not calculate in weeks, not in days. With us, everything is timed by hour, and Tesla does not think about too much about it." about mistakes. Tesla does not think too much about mistakes. They present innovative solutions in a short time. Participating construction companies speak of a lighthouse project, and workers I talked to, Albrecht says, I talked to said they are proud to be part of this big project, meaning Tesla Giga Berlin factory building, and want to see it success. Then Albrecht talks about the next steps. Okay, here's what he says about the next steps. All are waiting for further permissions at Tesla Giga Berlin. Besides, the more and more workers and machines arrive at the site, besides this delay of permission. In addition, an important step is the new B plan, development plan. The community representatives have to decide in the next days. December, I think that the deadline is December 15 for the development plan, B plan of the community. Speaking of the development, yesterday I had a big report that Tesla expects. And people in the area expect that Tesla Gigafactories building will bring huge more industrial companies to the area to settle. Like I think BASF is coming to the area, and I think they build, in addition to other things, components for electric vehicle batteries, and Tesla is very likely to use that. And because I just said in my morning and previous reports that Tesla likes to localize the supply chain, and so the community leaders are going to discuss how the development plan B is going to be, meaning building more roads in the area, even express bicycle roads for people to come from nearby cities by bicycle. Bicycle riding and sharing is huge thing in Germany, especially in Berlin area where I was last year, and I think in one places in Berlin I saw the largest bicycle parking lot in the world. So and also this is going to involve, in terms of plan B, the housing in the area, because more people are going to come. By January, 200 people are going to work at Tesla Giga Berlin, and 7,000 people will be hired in the first quarter of 2021, and the hiring is already in process. Albrecht says this has to be positive development news before the final Giga Berlin permission can be made. The development plan includes, among other things, important steps to connect Giga Berlin to the existing infrastructure. Then Albrecht says we will see that PA, CA, GA, ST, BIW buildings grow together to one big building. The roofs, this is the picture that Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Tesla have released before, that one big building. The roofs will be closed in the next 2 weeks, as well as the walls. Further windows will be installed, as well as venting and heating machines, and the GigaPress machines might arrive before Christmas. Then Albrecht says that what do you think about the monthly status quo briefing for rotating responsibility with Toby Lind and Jürgen, which Toby Lind tweets at Toby Lind and Jürgen tweets at GF for Tesla. We should implement a structure for better later comparison and should think about to set up a document. Reading in threads might be difficult. Guys, I want to tell you that I personally thank you very much for these monthly reports and daily reports that you produce that help our Tesla community in this channel or elsewhere to benefit from the updates that you're doing it. By the way, and then Albrecht also provides an annotation, and let me read that. BIW that I mentioned in this report is body in white. ST is the stamping. These are buildings, these are areas where Tesla is going to do certain work. So ST is stamping. CA is the casting. GA is general assembly. DU is the drive unit, and PA is painting. Well, friends, let me know what you think about this report, and like this video. That helps us tremendously. And this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell for so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And also, we're looking for more Tesla reporters at our news website, torquenews.com, where we have a huge Tesla section at torquenews.com/Tesla. Please visit there for daily Tesla news in addition to our YouTube channel. And if you are a Tesla enthusiast and like to express your opinions about Tesla developments and breaking news, please feel free to send me an email. We're hiring Tesla reporters for daily Tesla news reporters, and let me know and feel free to send me a sample story that you wrote recently or previously. So have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Peace be with all of you, and see you very soon. Bye bye now.